Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Fox 9-dan player. I am handling black, my opponent is white and he is a Taiwan 9-dan Fox player. Now we are having the Joseki here, so I have to decide for the next move. If I choose the active move, I can just Tenuki. If I just choose the normal, then I can play 3 space jump. Everybody please like and subscribe for my channel and for this video. And now he just invade here. Fine. I will stretch. After this, when he plays here, I have played at the 4th line. Then next approach position will be good for me. So he can decide to play push, jump, knight move. So this is a 5-minute basic time, and after that we have a 15 seconds Boyomi. Now he just decided knight move, then I have to use this stone. It will be the good balance. And white has 2 options. He can just answer knight move, and even attachment is used. It depends on him. I'm not sure which one he likes most. Let's see. If he just answers knight move, then I wanna play attach here. When he answers, I will just double hane here. Most popular Joseki. And also most of the time, white just decided to Atari here. Atari connect or tiger's mouth. And he has to give me the left hand side, then he has to approach the lower side. That will be the common flow. Like this. Yes. And then double hane seems better. And this is also quite difficult actually, between just stretch or double hane. Now he is also thinking whether he has to just set hane or just stretch here. But I think the common one is hane, and then just give me the left hand side, and he need to go around here. Yeah, then it's long game. We both has around 1.5 minutes. So after 1.5 minutes, it will be 15 seconds Boyomi game. Okay. It's pending for a long time now. Okay, just hane. Stretch, and he need to push one more. I'm gonna just accept. Until now, it's quite normal. Nothing special. After push and stretch, and he can of course even go to the 3-3. The lower side seems quite good for each other. If I am white, I will think lower side first. He doesn't push here, which means, is he thinking to make something right now? Maybe he may just prepare for some Tatsuji instead of just push, just like a star. Oh, yeah, kind of. Okay, I don't have to breathe now. I need to. Maybe he is thinking about the attach here. I don't think saving inside is the right timing now. Even though he can save, it's not gonna be really good. The timing is too fast. Okay, now he's Boyomi. And then spend Boyomi already? Okay, he just left the 2 Boyomi. Yeah, kind of Tetsuji. He's really hoping me to Atari this way, and then he will stretch, and then he wants to get the outside. I'm not gonna accept for what he want. Probably I will have a trading. Just I have to decide whether can I just Tanuki? If I just connect, he is keep telling me he can have a good position to save. I really want to block here. Dang, 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 dang. It's gonna be the cool. Can I just prepare? Can we trade? When he pushes here, I will just push and cut and get the upper side. If he just answers, I really want to block here. Okay. Make this 1 stone heavier. Atari, he will go out. I'm gonna push and make this 2 stones heavier. I will give up this 1 stone. I will give up this stone. Yeah. Make this heavier. He can't save both groups, so okay, when he captures here, that I will push and cut and take this back. But of course, here is also quite messy. When he just connect and stretch and then connect, white position is also quite amazing. Still, I can't say I'm leading. Just it's complicated. Okay, I must make ladder and the white must return here. Otherwise, if I can capture 2 stones, then it doesn't make sense for white. White must save these these stones. And then, yeah, even I can actually think about retrade. If I capture, when he capture, I can capture here. And then he can return. If I just connect, is he gonna play the wedge? And the wedge doesn't work. Strategy connect here. But the point is whether I can block with jump, push, and cut. Atari Sunday. Alright, I think it's no problem. My jump position is good. I think I can accept. And having this pip is really horrible exchange for white. I don't think it will be bad for me. He must stretch. Maybe he may push as well. Push is making sense. I think push might be better. But now the wedge doesn't work. I can just cut here. Push. Isn't it misreading? Yeah, I think when he stretched, he was thinking I need to capture, he want to trade, and I need to return. But actually, just connect is working. Now it's ladder. Yeah, it can be misreading. I'm not sure whether that was misreading or just it was what he want. What is that? You want to make the double ladder breaker? What? Hey, is it not ladder? Is my misreading? Dang 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 dang. It's probably ladder, right? Nothing. Yeah, I think maybe I'm not sure whether he is disappointed. Oh, already resigned? How come? So fast? Okay, just let's have a simple review. Yeah, now the okay. Normally, I think white has to just play like this, and then I think this will be good balance for each other. Actually, for white, yeah. He can even start to play from the 3-3. Here is very big place, but of course he have to pay this to me. Yeah, but of course top possible. This is also okay. But I think he was too rush. He wanted to start something. Yeah, this is like what he want. Like he wants to even make this sente. Of course, white is happy. Yeah, you know, if capturing is gonna be even sente. Yeah, but now he was thinking maybe he was thinking to save with such shape, but I really don't want to spend one move to defense here. I want to just block here, and I wanted to have a call here. Yeah, this is very heavy for white. White doesn't have enough cost trade in the beginning. You know, even though I just retrade here, it cannot be good for white usually in the beginning. Yeah, it's too bad exchange. So he just accept and no, he retrade. And then now I was preparing to play like this, and I think here I couldn't play here because he can connect here. Yeah, there is the connect and die. I need to prepare with Hane first. Hane and separate of his group, and then if I just make sente like this, yeah, now it was what I prepared like this. And then if he wanted to just exchange, even this is too bad exchange, I don't think it will be bad for me. Yeah, maybe I can even play the Tetsuji here. It seems working now. Like this, when he makes ladder, the net, he was supposed to make more liberty there. I'm not sure whether probably this is better move or not, but I think the white black has many ways to answer. Maybe with number 1, then here was much harder. Yeah, this was, and then however, yeah, I can't say that even this is good for white, but it was at least better than actual game. Yeah, but you know, the actual game, I'm not sure whether he made a misreading for the ladder. Yeah, maybe he was disappointed after he made the misreading here. Yeah, maybe this was what he was expecting, and then when I capture, he can just keep fight here. Yeah, but now when I just connect, this is not working now. Yeah, and then he just goes out a couple times for the ladder and just resign. Yeah, that's it. Okay, today I just have played simply for the practice game. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching for this short video. Then please like and subscribe. Then see you guys next time. Bye bye.